My name is Rosbella Ngucho. I reside in Germany, but I'm also a resident of Kenya. That is why I'm here with you people. I was introduced to Optiven by a friend of mine. I had a calling telling me to go and meet the Optiven people. So after I met them, then I was informed that they are selling projects like this one. And I had this urge to be with them. So since then, I started with Optiven in November last year, and we've been together with them. I've seen they are trustful people, they are supportive, they're always there when one needs help. This is my second time coming to this place, and Optiven has always been there for me. They bring me here, they show me places, they show me what they've done, and it's really a really good company that is actually taking care of us outside there. Right now, as I stand here, I'm very proud to stand actually in my own premises, known as my own. It's a feeling I cannot describe it, but anyway, people, you can see from my smile that actually it's a good thing. So I'm very happy. It's really a very, very nice thing. I would like to advise my people out there. We are one people. And whenever somebody has something good, like now I have something good, I would like to encourage you people who are out there to also try and get something good. Home is always home, where somebody feels good, where you speak your own language, where you feel your culture is there, where you feel your people are behind you. Please get something with Optiven. Optiven is a very trusted company. It's really taking good care of us, and I can only say try Optiven.